for the Sensex. The first rates have just come in, 56 points up for the Sensex. Let's stay with ONGC for at least 10 or 15 seconds because we will see a lot of chop and churn. Yes, the FPO has sailed through, but at 3 o'clock, by and large, traders or smart traders knew that ONGC FPO was running into some kind of an rough weather, and traders had opened some fresh short positions. So you may see an element of short covering, but as of now, ONGC is now at 281 rupees. Now let's look at banking stocks one by one. ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, and then Bank of Baroda. ICICI Bank is bouncing back. It is at 892 rupees. State Bank of India is up 13 rupees. Then Bank of Baroda on Thursday, when markets were down, banking stocks were down, was up by about 18 or 19 rupees. So BOB, it is part of the Nifty 50, is in the third largest bank. That is one bank, or that is one stock which has potential to outperform in the short term. Now let's check in on momentum. For the day gone by, Suzlon was the top traded counter on both the exchanges. It was up about 11%, 30 rupees for Suzlon. There is strong underlying momentum in Suzlon, and Suzlon has been a constant feature of this market rally. What about ADAG stocks? Reliance Capital, Ashwini Gujaral's got a buy there. Mitesh also has a buy call going on Reliance Infra. Reliance Capital is at 428 rupees. Reliance Infra slightly volatile, 605. What about RCom and then Reliance Power? RCom is at 95. That's been the laggard out of the group stock or out of the group companies. And Reliance Power, no one owns it, no one likes it. It is at 123 rupees. Aisha?
53.60 on the Nifty, that is where it is started for this Friday morning. ONGC and even the LIC bailout couldn't quite help the stock price, currently down by about 2% or so. Not just that, a whole host of stocks as well are reacting to the news flow on them this morning, even though the MCA has denied probing DLF, but that isn't quite helping the sentiment on the stock. And look at DLF, it started off down by about 2% even right now in trade, and now it's sinking further, 4%. So it's just about defending 200, you could say, in trade right now. And I think it's the Veritas report and the probings from that which are really impacting the stock price right now. Lots of reactions coming in to the monthly sales data as well as the numbers. First, look at the gap down start that Emphasis has had after a very disappointing first quarter. Remember, the PAT has gone down quite considerably, 185 crore rupees versus a comparable of 227 crore rupees year on year. It's a gap down start, a 6.5% cut that you're seeing on Emphasis on opening bell. TVS Motors, again, very disappointing set of monthly sales numbers coming in for the month of February, and TVS as well has started off down by about 1% or so. On the flip side, Hero MotoCorp, a thumbs up coming in, 11% uptick coming in for their monthly sales numbers for the month of February, and Hero MotoCorp, very good start there, up a good 1.5% or so. The GOM on coal, that is the group of ministers on coal, they are going to meet again in the next 10 days, and NTPC's North Karanpura project has been cleared by the group of ministers. So let's see whether or not you're seeing any positive reaction. Yes, NTPC has started off by about 0.6%. Reports indicate that Reliance has begun its buyback and it's nibbled in 50 crores in about 3 weeks. So Reliance is one stock in focus right now, and ITC as well, wherein YC Deveshwar has sold 2.7 lakh shares for a sum total of 5.8 crore rupees. ITC, a little soft start there. And Alcargo Global, which is looking to demerge two divisions and buy new vessels as well. You read it first on Economic Times this morning. Let's see what is the result reaction on, or rather reaction coming in for Alcargo. Very good start there, 2% up in the green for that one.